children, today we are going to study lesson 11, Sunita in space. Then in one school, then Sunita is visit that school, then children say something about Sunita. Then who is Sunita? Sunita means in full time Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams born on 19 September 1965 in Euclid, Ohio, America. United States Navy officer. Then second American astronaut. Astronaut means Antarikshayatri of Indian heritage to go to space. Then first was Kalpana Chawla, who died in the Columbia disaster. Record of 195 days in space. Who? Sunita Williams. Went to International Space Station on 19 December 2006 in Space Shuttle Discovery. Record of most spacewalk time for women 50 hours and 40 minutes in 7 walks. That means Sunita Williams is astronaut. Who is astronaut? Who is an astronaut? Then an astronaut is a person who goes in space to learn about space, planets and heavenly bodies. These example, some special famous astronauts are Neil Armstrong, Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. In this chapter we more study about then who is astronaut, then Earth, then globe, then what is our Earth really like. That means what is the shape of our Earth. What is the shape of our Earth? Some people say our Earth is a round shape, then another type of. Then the Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only planet in our solar system known to harbor life. That means the Earth has only one life. Another planets have no life. Why? Because Earth contains air, water, oxygen and etc. Then what is our Earth like? That means how to really like a Earth. The Earth is spherical in shape. What is the shape of Earth? Spherical. It looks like a blue marble from space. That is why it is also called the blue planet. Which is blue planet? Earth is the blue planet. The blue part is water that covers 2/3 of the Earth. Remaining greenish, brownish and yellowish part is land. That is 1/3 of the Earth. That means it is the miniature model of the Earth. Earth contains 2/3 of water. That means these green color represent sea and oceans. Then greenish, yellowish and brownish represent land. Land means human means animals living areas. Then where is space? You have to hear spaceship. Then Sunita go to space there. Where is space? Space is everything in the universe beyond the stop of the Earth atmosphere. That means space means Antarikshya. That means space contains other name is atmosphere. It contains air, then other type of oxygen, then some gases there. The sky, stars, sun and moon, they are all in space. In 90 BC, stars, moon, and then daytime sun, these are also in space. Then globe. What is globe? Globe is a miniature model of Earth. This is model of miniature model of the Earth. This is a globe. This is the model of miniature model of Earth. Then next we study. Then Earth is a spherical shape. We live in Earth. And you have to doubt there. We live in this Earth is a spherical shape. We fall out, fell down. Then in your page number 100. Page number 100. What do you think? If the Earth is round like a globe, how is it that we do not fall off? That means our Earth is look like this round shape. Then we have to stay here and fall off. Then because the gravitational force of the Earth attacks everything towards itself. That means earth, we cannot fall off. Why? Because earth attracts gravitational force and earth attracts towards them. Then do the people, that means some people also live on the lower part of the earth. These are countries like Brazil, Argentina on the lower part of the earth. That means this represent earth some countries stay downside. That means Brazil and Argentina. Then do the people in Argentina stand upside down? That means that area people upside down there? No. No, they also stand up like us. The sense of up and down on the earth relative. That means that time earth's gravitational force they cannot upside down. Then next is Sunitha's experience of living in space. You have to look the picture. So Sunitha's experience, that how to feel or what is the experience in Sunitha's living in space. We could not sit at one place. We kept floating in the spaceship from one end to another. That means in the space you cannot sit. They float away in the inside the space. Water too doesn't stay in one place. It floats around as globes. That means water is globes there. To wash our face or hands, we have to catch these globes and wet paper with them. We ate very differently there. The real fun was when all of us would float into the dining area of the spaceship and catch the floating food packets. That means, example, this room is our classroom is faced there. You have to see all things are floating inside the room. That means their breakfast, water, then other type of materials, objects are floating on the space. Not being able to walk, they cannot walk. Then we had to get used to floating around. We had to learn to do some simple things differently. To stay at one place, we had to strap ourselves there. Purpose also had to be stuck to the wall of the spaceship. It was a lot of fun living in space, but it was also difficult. That means inside very difficult. They fun there, but it was very difficult. They have no connection with others there. Then look at the photographs and write. Can you think why Sunitha's hair was standing? You look the picture. You have to see Sunitha's hair is standing. Why? When we are on the earth, our hairs remains in downwards position. We are living time, our hair is downward position. Then because of the gravitational pull of earth, but in space there is no gravity, so hair keeps standing. That means space inside, no gravity, that time hair is go outside. In earth our hair is downside because our earth due to gravitational force. Then next we have to see some pictures. Then Sunitha's journey starting time and ending time. First is which day we take off. Take off means their journey, which time starting. That means we take off 9/12/2016. They start their journey 2016. The 2006 we take off. Then astronauts are floating inside the spacecraft 11/12/2006. Do you have to look the picture? That picture, first we take off. Then second picture, they are float inside the space. Then astronauts are taking food. Then Sunitha is working. That means 13/12/2016. 2006 Sunitha is working. Then 16/12/2006 Sunitha is roaming outside the spacecraft. Roaming means then watching all things outside. Portion is watching in space ship. Then is it amazing? Okay, that means you have to know playing time. You have to throw the ball upside. Why it return to downside? Because gravitational force of the earth. That means earth attracts towards them. On the earth, when we throw something up, down. When we throw a ball up in air, it falls back. We are able to catch it on the earth. We don't keep floating around. When we fill a glass or bucket with water, it stays here. It doesn't float around in blocks, as Sunitha Williams says. It is something special about the earth that makes this happen. The earth pulls everything towards itself. That is the reason why all things you go throw upside to return come to the earth, because the earth pulls everything towards itself. That means earth attracts everything. Then Sunitha Williams went 360 kilometers away from the earth. In the spaceship, think how far this would be. Find out which town or city is located about 360 kilometers away from where you live. This is how far Sunitha Williams went away from the earth. Then can you now say why Sunitha's hair kept standing? You have to say the answer. Why Sunitha's hair is kept standing in space? Okay, because due to the in space have no gravitational force. Then think why water flows downwards on any slope. On mountains to water flows downwards, not upwards. You have to visiting some picnic areas, waterfalls in and water go out upside or downside? Downside. Why all time water is go downside, not go upside? Because water flows downwards on any slope on mountains due to the gravitational acting upon it. That means earth attracts towards them. That means the mountains, waterfalls not go upside to downside going because the gravitational force. Okay, first portion understand. In this portion we discuss gravitational force. Gravitational force means it attracts anything towards the earth. Like example, we can throw a ball, stone, other type of things or material objects are thrown upside. It will return come to the earth. Why? Then it earth pulls towards them. That is due to the cause of gravitational force. Then next we study globe. Globe is the miniature model of the earth. That means it is the model of earth. Globe is the model of earth. Then earth contains some blue parts. Blue parts represent water area. That means in our earth 2/3 of water. Then next portion is yellowish, brownish, greenish portion there. This portion represent land. Land means people living area. That area have no water there. Then bluish represent water and greenish, brownish, yellowish represent land. Land 1/3 of earth. Then water 2/3 of the earth. Okay, understand?